Identifying a market gap, research and analysis. Identifying a market gap, research and analysis. In any industry, a successful business must constantly innovate to survive and remain relevant in the marketplace. One key factor in this process is identifying gaps in the market, or unfulfilled needs of consumers that existing products or services fail to address. Identifying these gaps requires thorough research and analysis, which can be accomplished through a variety of methods and tools. In this article, we will explore the process of identifying a market gap and the steps involved in conducting effective research and analysis. Step 1. Define the problem. The first step in identifying a market gap is to define the problem you want to solve. This is an essential step, as it provides clarity and focus on what gap you are trying to fill. Start by identifying the industry and market you want to focus on. For instance, let's assume you are interested in the fitness industry. The problem you want to solve could be something like, there is a lack of affordable and accessible fitness options for people who live in rural areas. Step 2. Conduct research. Once you have defined the problem, the next step is to conduct research on it. There are many ways to research the market, including surveys, focus groups, and industry reports. It is essential to us a diverse range of resources and not rely on just one method, as it could lead to overlooking critical information. A good place to start is online research. This research could begin with a search of both existing marketplace solutions and competitors. It is essential to understand what products and services exist in the market and what gaps they may have left. Identifying similar products or services that address the problem you are trying to solve will help you understand whether your solution is truly unique. Industry reports and market research surveys are also valuable resources. These sources can help you understand high-level trends, customer demographics, and the size of the target market. All this information is crucial in gauging the feasibility of any potential solutions. Step 3. Analyze the data. Once you have gathered the research data, analyze the findings to get valuable insights. Analyzing the data can help you determine key metrics that include the size of the market, the various demographics, and geographic locations. These insights should help you understand whether the market gap has the potential for a viable and profitable solution. It is also essential to conduct a SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, analysis to have a more comprehensive understanding of the market gap's landscape. This will help you determine any potential obstacles you may face when developing a solution to the problem. Step 4. Determine the solution. After conducting research and analyzing the data, the next step is fine-tuning the solution that addresses the market gap. The solution should generate a unique selling proposition that resonates with the target market. The solution could be a new product or a new service. Evaluating potential solutions should involve examining the industry trends and product life cycle. This review considers sales projections and return on investment for each solution. When considering the potential solution, think from the perspective of the target market. It's crucial to ensure that their needs and expectations are met. Thus, the solution should provide a clear benefit, stand out from competitor products within the market, and drive consumer engagement. Step 5. Test the solution. Before launching any product or service, testing the solution to ensure it will work in practice is essential. One way to test what could work is through utilizing minimum viable products.